Welcome to Switchboard Live. In this video, we'll show you how to connect OBS with your Switchboard account. We'll give you the step-by-step guide to get you multi-streaming in no time. First, we'll quickly show you how to prepare your Switchboard account with a stream group, destinations, and stream title. Then, we'll show you how to connect OBS with Switchboard, adjust the OBS stream settings, set up sources and scenes in OBS, and our favorite part, multi-streaming. Let's get started. We are on our default workflow, and here's a quick tip. If you didn't know, you can rename this workflow. So let's change it to OBS. We'll click Settings and type OBS in the workflow name field. Then we'll press Enter. We'll click the Edit Group button, which is the pencil icon. The Edit Group menu will open, and you can see we are at Step 1, Stream Details. We'll provide a new stream title here. Next, we want to add some destinations to the group, so we'll click Save and Next. And now we are on Step 2, Destinations. We'll find the destinations that we want to add to this group, click the toggle to add them to the group, and click Done. Great, now we are ready to connect our Switchboard account with OBS. We have OBS open, and we'll click Settings under the Control panel. A new window will open. We'll select Stream from the side menu. At the top here, we need to select a service, the platform or destination we want to send our stream to. This is from the OBS perspective. The destination is Switchboard. We're telling OBS where we want to send the live stream to. We'll select Custom from the menu. We'll go back and forth between Switchboard and OBS to copy the stream URL and stream key and then paste them into the OBS stream settings. Okay, now we'll click Apply. The next important step is setting up the OBS output settings. We're going to set up the general requirements for live streaming. We'll select Output on the menu. Now we need to change the output mode from Simple to Advanced. We'll open the menu and select Advanced. The options will change. So now we see 4 tabs at the top, and we're going to select the Streaming tab. We have the Audio Track 1, Audio Encoder, Video Encoder, Rescale Output, and it's set to a 1920 by 1080. Moving along are the encoder settings. The encoder settings are important to set up correctly. For Switchboard, the rate control needs to be set to CBR, a constant bit rate. Bit rate, a good value is about 3000. However, this really depends on your upload speed. To determine your upload speed, run a speed test, and then set its value to about half the upload speed. Next is the keyframe interval. For Switchboard, this value needs to be set to 2. The keyframe basically determines how often the entire picture is transmitted out from OBS. Be sure to set this value to 2 seconds. CPU usage, you can set this to very fast. Now let's move on to video output. You'll see the base, canvas, and output scaled resolution. We'll set them both to 1920 by 1080. And the aspect ratio is set to 16 by 9, which is the landscape format. The FPS needs to be set to 30 or 60. Keep in mind, for Switchboard, you'll need to make sure that your rate control is set to CBR. Your keyframe interval needs to be set to 2, FPS 30 or 60. OBS has a lot of great documentation if you need more details about all of their settings and features. We're done here, so we'll click OK to close this window. Next, we'll be adding sources and scenes. Scenes provide the timeline and structure of the live stream broadcast, and sources make up the scenes. These are your images, camera, microphone. There's multiple ways of structuring your scenes and sources. It really depends on the type of broadcast you're producing and your preferences. Some recommended scenes to create: welcome, starting soon. Be right back. Thanks for watching, which includes CTAs like connect with us. We've already added a welcome scene. Now let's say we want to add a source to the thank you for watching scene. Making sure that we select thank you for watching, we'll click the plus icon and choose from the menu. As you can see, there's a ton of sources to choose from. We want to add an image, so we'll select the image from the menu. We'll give the source a name. You can also drag and drop sources. When you do this, the source name would be the file name. Another source option is text. We added a background image, and now we can add overlay text. This is perfect for times you want to customize for topical videos or make changes on the fly. Now we have our broadcast set up and we're ready to go. It's time to test the connection between OBS and our Switchboard account. On OBS, we'll click Start Streaming. OBS will go through its process of sending the stream over to its destination, which is Switchboard. Now let's take a look at Switchboard. After a few seconds, we'll see the changes on the workflow. The preview window will display the media being sent from OBS. Our receiving status will also display. The icons will light up and the Go Live button will change from its grayed out state to green. At this point, we are ready to go live. We'll select the destinations and click Go Live at the top of the workflow. Switchboard will go through the process of distributing the stream out to the selected platforms. And we'll be multi-streaming. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to follow us for more info like this and visit us at Switchboard Live. Happy multi-streaming. Take care.